Now you can check your answers. Write a spelling word on the line that rhymes with each word. Number 9 was the word phone, and the word that rhymes with phone was roam. Number 10 is dome, and home rhymes with dome. Number 11 is load. Toad rhymes with load. And number 12 is moat. And remember, moat is a ditch around a castle or a fort. Moat rhymes with goat. Down at the bottom, you had to write the words that went with the meaning. And number 13 was a chord or line. And the spelling word was rope. Number 14 is land next to the sea, and that is a coast. Number 15 is a system of symbols or letters, and that is the word code. Number 16, used for cooking or heating, and that would be a stove. Now go back and check your answers. If you have any wrong, erase them good, and make your corrections on the paper. Use your best handwriting, and please do not misspell any words because they are right in front of you.